guys, I didn't want to do this in the bathroom because the lighting is good here. Today we're doing a low slick back bun tutorial. I just get out the shower. I like to do the low bun when my hair is wet. It's easier to maintain when it's wet, and so I don't have to put like a lot of gel on it. First, you have to part your hair. Well, I'm doing a side part, so okay, so I'm gonna do it like that. I'm having a hard time right now. Okay, so I have the part. I made it curve a little bit, and then I want to have the low part that's gonna go like that on my left side, so that when I do my edges or baby hairs or whatever, I want them to be on the right side. Take this brush, a hard brush, and I'm going to slick it. I don't want it all the way down yet. I'm just gonna put it like that. Brush it. And then I'm gonna take this side and do the same thing. Just brush it back. And then I'm gonna keep brushing it until like it's flat. Take my hair tie and I'm going to put it into a ponytail. Now I'm going to put it in the ponytail. Now I have it in my slick back ponytail. Now I'm gonna bring this down. You see, you just pull the brush and just pull the hairs down with the brush. If you want to bring it down a little bit more, you can do that. Down. Water is not gonna hold the ponytail down. I'm gonna take this little EcoStar gel thing, the green one. And since I have nails, I like to put it on top of my fingers and then put it here and then go like that. And then I also put it here so that it also lets me bring down the hair a little bit more easier. Take a toothbrush, dip it in here. And I still try to bring it down more. Okay, so I have the one side down. Now I'm gonna do my edges. This is just going really bad. Okay, well, I did like 4. You see that hair right there? I like to make it into like a little hook. And then you have this hair out here. Usually I like to leave it, or you could leave it out like that, but I like to make it into another squiggle thing. I'm gonna just brush it down and then pull it with my finger so that it creates like a little curl. And now I'm just sticking it to my face. It has to have a lot of gel. Okay, that was a bad tutorial, but okay. So now I have my little edges thing. That is the end of this video. I learned how to do 4 swooping things. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, period. Share it with everybody, if you want to. If I was watching this, I probably wouldn't even understand how to do it still. Until the next video, bye. I'll give anything in exchange for this temporary heart.